the eighth question. We have MnO4 minus plus H plus H2X gives us Mn2 plus sulfur. Alright. We begin our oxidation and reduction. Oxidation is the increase in the oxidation number. So here is 0, here should be -2. Let's find out before we start. H2X, the oxidation number of all the elements in the compound is equals to 0 by the rule. And this is, hydrogen has oxidation number of 1. 1 times 2 is 2 plus sulfur. This is equals to 0. This is 2 plus sulfur is equals to 0. Making sulfur the subject is equals to 0 minus 2. Sulfur is equals to -2. So the oxidation number here is -2. It increases to 0. So that is oxidation. So now I will say H2S to sulfur. So I can take this 2 off. Now, reduction, of course, this reduces 7 to 2. So I have MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. Okay, now we say from -2 to 0 is 2. Oxidation is the loss of electron, it lost just 2. Sorry. So I have H2X lost 2 electron to sulfur. Here I have MnO4 minus gain 5 electron to give us Mn2 plus. Alright, because of oxygen being here, we have to proceed with this side and later introduce it. So I will have to balance for oxygen. I have 4 moles of oxygen, so I include 4 moles of water. So MnO4 minus plus 5 electron give us Mn2 plus 4 moles of water, because we have 4 oxygen, 4 moles of water. Now I have hydrogen here, which is 8. I have to introduce it to the side. So I have MnO4 minus plus 5 electron plus 8 hydrogen gives us Mn2 plus 4 H2O. Alright. Now we check. Hydrogen is 8, hydrogen is 8, oxygen is 4, oxygen is 4. So I have to bring this other equation here. This is equation 1, and this becomes my equation 2. H2S minus 2 electron to give us sulfur, equation 3. Oh, sorry, 2. Now, remember, we have balanced our hydrogen here. Hydrogen is also here in this other side, which I've introduced. At the end of the day, we'll take out the reactant and we'll take out the product. The hydrogen cannot be the same. So do not forget, in the course of that, when we have taken our reactant and our product, we have to rebalance hydrogen because we have introduced hydrogen. Now there is 2 moles of hydrogen here, which means it will alter whatever comes in here. This 2 plus 8 becomes 10, and here is 8. So you see that it's not going to be balanced. It could be more. It's going to be more, of course, when we do the multiplication. But then let's proceed to balance by multiplication, which is redox. In this simultaneous equation. So this multiplied by 2, I have 2 MnO4 minus plus 10 electron plus 2 times 8 is 16 hydrogen, which gives me 2Nn2 plus 2 times this is 8H2O. Now this multiplied by 5, so I have 5H2S minus 10 electron give me 5 sulfur. So I'll bring out the reactant, which are 5 MnO4 minus plus 16 hydrogen plus 5 H2S will give us 2Nn2 plus 8H2O plus 5 sulfur. So if you look at it now, obviously hydrogen will not be balanced. So I have 10 hydrogen here plus this 16, that's 26. And I have just I have 16 here. So if I want to balance this, let's see what we're going to do. Hydrogen here is 8 times 2, 16. So if I leave this 16 and take out this hydrogen out, I will have it balanced. But then, let's look for a better way to go about that. Okay, the right side I have 16 hydrogen. Yeah, 5 times 2 is 6. 6 plus this is 10. Okay, it's 10, it's 10, it's 10. 5 and let me just reduce this thing. Okay, I have 4. Let's see. Manganese is okay. 5 manganese. I have 2 manganese. Let's look again. I hope there's no mistake here. 2 manganese times, let me go through. This is times 5, so gives me manganese 2 times 2. I have 2 manganese. Okay, that's correct. But this manganese here times 2, I have 2. Equation 1 times this. Okay, I multiply by 2. So yes, it's supposed to be 2. We're going to look at it again. It is equation 2 that we multiply with 5, which is 5H2S. Okay, that's correct. This is multiplied by 2 because it has 2 here. So I have 2. This multiplied by 2. I have 2 here. So that is correct here. This multiplied by this gives me 2. Now this multiplied by 5 gives me 5H2X. Okay. And this multiplied by 5 gives me 5 this. Okay, that's number 1. So this alone will give me minus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus this will give me 14. And there I have 4. So if this is 16, I take out hydrogen now. By balancing, I have 16 hydrogen, yeah? I have 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 16. Good. So I will have 10 here, then I will reduce this. 10 plus 6. Good. This is 10 plus 6 will give me 16. for hydrogen, which is 16 here. All right, we are good now. So I have to balance the hydrogen to correspond. Hydrogen is 16, hydrogen is 5 times 2, 10 plus 6, 16. All right, now we can finish it. It's correct. So let's now see, here is 2 times this is minus 2, and this is plus 6. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 plus 6 is 4, so it's 4 is to 4. It is important, any little mistake can send us off, obviously. Otherwise you have to go all through by cross-checking, and you can never be too sure 100% until that is done. Alright, this is question number 8. Let's take like 1 or 2 more. You can wrap it up.